Hi crypto fans, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at KuCoin. I am going to show you what the exchange is all about, the features of the KuCoin token, or KCS, some of the best wallets you can use, and much more. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest whale to the moon coin. Let's get into it. KuCoin is a leading international cryptocurrency and altcoin exchange that was founded in 2017 by Johnny Lyu. This exchange offers more than 700 cryptocurrencies and is also one of the largest social trading platforms, with more than 20 million users worldwide. With KuCoin, you can start building a crypto portfolio with as little as $1, which makes this a low-risk exchange that is suitable for beginners. KuCoin is not only a cryptocurrency exchange, but it is also a fintech platform that offers crypto loans, trading bots, staking programs, mining pools, trading contests, and much more. One of the many perks of trading with KuCoin is owning a Ku card. When you register your card, you will earn 1,000 Tether stablecoins, or USDT, and all you need to do is create a KuCoin account and provide proof that you live in one of these supported countries or regions. Ku card owners are eligible for cashback rewards and exclusive membership benefits, and can be linked to the Google Pay and Apple Pay applications to make everyday purchases and payments much easier. The Ku card can be used for real-time crypto payments at millions of merchants worldwide and supports over 50 fiat currencies. It is completely free and there are no additional account fees. If you are a creative person, we recommend checking out the KuCoin Content Creator Program that makes it easy to monetize your creativity. Every month, there will be new topics, and the winner of the month will receive $500 worth of Bitcoin. Anyone can join the program, and you can find out more about it by clicking on the menu button on the right side of the menu bar and selecting the Content Program. KuCoin also offers a wide range of NFTs, and you can buy, sell, and swap thousands of NFTs on Windvane, or join the Wonderland NFT launch program to participate in play-to-earn games and collect exclusive content. You can also buy fractionalized fungible tokens, or FFTs. Fractional tokens give each holder a percentage of ownership on an NFT, and the FFTs on KuCoin will be converted to blue-chip NFTs once they are fractionalized. Only projects where the overall NFT market agrees that the collection or artist is high quality can be considered a blue chip, so you could get your hands on some really rare collectibles. For those of you who like convenience and efficiency and are interested in automated trading, KuCoin is an exceptional crypto platform for robot trading, and more than 8 million bots have been created on the KuCoin platform. The KuCoin trading bots are free-to-use software programs that can be used to automate trading, and the most common strategies used on KuCoin are spot grids, dollar cost averaging, or DCAs, futures grids, smart rebalances, and infinity grids. You can also earn passive income by creating viable trading bots that people like to use. Another reason we really like KuCoin is the fact that you can borrow and lend crypto on this platform, and the dashboard is user-friendly. Simply click on Lend or Borrow and choose a coin, an amount, and a term. It's that simple. There are also several other ways to increase your earnings with KuCoin. KuCoin Earn is a one-stop wealth management service platform where you can stake your assets, benefit from exclusive high-yield promotions, and more. You can also participate in KuCoin contests, hold KCS KuCoin tokens to earn daily rewards, join the KuCoin mining pools, or complete tasks. Head over to the Rewards Hub to see how you can earn more. KuCoin also offers a token launch platform where you can view all the latest token listings and get involved with upcoming blockchain projects. The KuCoin token, or KCS, is the native ERC20 token of KuCoin. It was released in 2017 as a profit-sharing token that allows traders to draw value from the exchange. The initial supply of KCS was capped at 200 million, and its final supply is planned to stabilize at 100 million through a buyback and burn mechanism. KuCoin tokens power the KCC public blockchain, and these tokens are also used to reward token holders. By holding at least 6 KCS tokens, you will qualify for a daily reward that comes from 50% of KuCoin's daily trading fee revenue, and your trading fees will be significantly reduced. KCS token holders also have access to exclusive token sales, and you can convert your dust or small amounts of crypto into KCS. We recommend buying KCS directly from the KuCoin exchange to avoid any unnecessary transaction fees. Before you can start trading or staking on KuCoin, you need to create an account. You can easily create an account in a few simple steps. Firstly, launch the KuCoin homepage, and then click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and choose a strong password for your account. Then verify your email address. Once your account is verified and set up, you can make your first deposit and start trading. KuCoin also offers a VIP program with lower fees, higher withdrawal limits, low-rate margin loans, bigger referral bonuses, one-on-one customer service, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and a wide range of other exclusive VIP perks. KuCoin offers both custodial and non-custodial services, which means you can either store your crypto assets directly on the KuCoin exchange or connect a third-party wallet directly and trade from there. If you prefer using third-party wallets, we would recommend using MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or the Coinbase wallet. The MetaMask software wallet can be used to conveniently buy, sell and trade cryptocurrencies using the built-in exchange. And it allows you to connect directly to a variety of blockchain applications. Trust Wallet is free to download and use, and supports a total of more than 160,000 coins and digital assets, which can easily be traded and managed directly from the wallet. The Coinbase software wallet supports more than 4,000 digital assets and offers a built-in DApp browser. It can also be used to store NFTs and integrate seamlessly with the Coinbase exchange. You can also use the Trezor and Ledger hardware wallets for additional security. Once you have created an account and linked your wallet, you can start buying cryptocurrencies. You can either buy crypto from the KuCoin web exchange or from the mobile application. Download links for the KuCoin platforms can be found on the homepage, along with beginner's guides to get you started. Once your account is set up and ready, and you have chosen your preferred wallet, if you require assistance with anything else, you can contact the KuCoin support team, and they can be reached directly via live chat, or you can submit a web ticket. We also recommend visiting the support center to view guides and tutorials on creating and managing your account, making deposits and withdrawals, and everything else you would need to know about the platforms and products. So, what do we like about KuCoin? KuCoin is one of the largest and safest crypto exchanges in the world. More than 20 million people from all around the world are trading with KuCoin, and this exchange offers more than 700 cryptocurrencies and altcoins, which is a lot more than most other exchanges offer. You can also grow your NFT collection by exploring KuCoin's marketplace, and there are many different ways to increase your earnings and automate your trades through KuCoin. If you are interested, be sure to open your KuCoin account today and bring a few friends along with you to win prizes and get a head start on your trading career with one of the leading online exchanges in the industry. And that is our overview of KuCoin. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave us a comment. Do you want us to research a project or coin? If so, leave the coin or the project name in the comments section, and we might cover it in our next few videos. And that's it from me for now. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.